Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your future clients with 99 designs, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your future clients with 99 designs, start by understanding the platform. Visit the 99 designs website and create an account if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the types of design services offered. Explore the various design categories, including logo design, web design, and branding. Use the search function to find examples that align with your client's needs. Take time to review designers' portfolios to gauge their style and expertise. Consider reading client reviews to assess the experience others have had. Set up a project brief that outlines your client's specific requirements. Be sure to include details such as preferred colors, brand values, and design examples. Review the pricing structure on 99 designs to find a plan that fits your client's budget. When launching a project, choose between a contest or a one-to-one project. For a contest, invite multiple designers to submit their initial concepts. Encourage designers to ask questions for further clarity on the project. Once designs are submitted, gather feedback from your client to refine their preferences. Communicate openly with designers to ensure they understand the feedback. Select finalists based on your client's feedback for further revisions. Once a design is finalized, notify the designer who created the winning concept. Ensure that all files are delivered in the correct formats needed for your client. Clarify the ownership rights of the final designs in the project agreement. Keep a record of all correspondence and files for future reference. Educate your client on how to properly use and protect their new designs. Provide guidance on where the designs can be applied effectively. Lastly, check in with your client after the project's completion to address any questions they may have. By following these steps, you create a robust framework for protecting your future clients on 99 designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.